Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about offset. Basically offset works as index. So here I want to apply some. So I want to find this. I just type here equal sign offset, and here I have to count this where it located. So the difference is in index we used to select the entire table range, and here I just select one cell and count from that cell. For example, I just select this cell, and here you can see it's located 1 to the right and 3 to the bottom. So now comma, and here if I put 0 it will stay here in this cell. If I put 1 it go down 1. If I put -1 it go 1 up. So I just type here 2 comma. For row, for column it's the same, and here it's if I put 0 it will stay here in this order date column, but I just write here 1 and close the bracket and enter. You can see it's very powerful than index, because in index I have to select the entire table range, and also after that I should count the entire column and rows. And here if I want to find this, I just type here equal sign offset, and now I want to select this cell itself, comma. I put 0 for row, put 0 for column, close the bracket and enter. So it is way easy and way powerful than index. So here I want to apply both index and offset. Okay, I just type here equal sign index, and here I want to find this 7.50. I want to find this, so in that case I should select the entire area, copy. After that I should count it 1 2 3 rows, comma, and column, it's column silver 1 2, just write 2, close the bracket and enter. Just change to percentage. Yes, you can see it works just fine. So now I can use the offset to find that way easier. Equal sign offset, I select this one, comma, after that I count it 1 2, put 2 here, comma, and just 1 here, close the bracket and enter. You can see it's the same, and the offset function is very straightforward. We also can combine offset with other functions, so I just come here. So here instead of 2, you can see here I can use the match function, and here you can see I should select first local value, which is this, comma. So in match function I used to select all of this, but here because I have started my offset from here, I should select just these 3, comma, there should be an exact match, 0, close, and you can see it's still 7.50. So I can change the one also the same way. I just use the match function. It's should select the silver, comma, and here I don't need to include this. I should just select this, comma, it should be an exact match, close the bracket and enter. You can see it works just fine. So that's it about offset. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.